So when we have the software available to us, we are going to be launching the VMware Workstation this way. That is for the installation, and we go by yes. So the setup is starting up. So from this page, we're going to be going by next and accept the terms of the license agreement. We go to next. We can add VMware to verify. We can go next, and we should uncheck this, check for updates, and join this and go by next. We can leave these default values here and go next, and now we install. So the installation starts. So the installation or the setup is being transferred to the hard disk. So at this point in time, the shortcut has been placed to the desktop, which meaning that the installation is about to round up. As you can see, we just have a few seconds to have the file ready for us to make use of. So now that the installation has finished, we can click on the license, and the license key will be supplied or given to us, which we can use the same license on the screen and click enter. So that is, we now finish the installation. That is how to install the VMware VirtualBox.